Hi, I am Anil Lalam. Today I will walk you through how I build AI-powered video summarization and multilingual narration using the Google Cloud Platform APIs and Camunda Workflow. Okay, the entire solution was automated using the Camunda Workflow, the end-to-end solution. Okay, this is the repository where the source code resides. Let me walk you through the how the solution was framed and what are the features that it got. Like, okay, this is the file like where the whole solution was documented step by step. The architectural flow and then Camunda workflow and the how application should be executed. Okay, so before I go into the architecture, let me give you the background or like how exactly this solution works. Let's say if user passes any video, the video can be the video size can be anything, like it can be 1 GB or 2 GB or 3 GB. When the user provides any video, the system will process that video and then pull the transcripts out of that video, and then the transcripts will be passed to the generative model, like Google generative model, to summarize it. And then the summarized text was sent to a translation API, where the summary text will be translated into the specific language of your user choice, and then that translated summarized text was converted into the audio format. The audio will be the audio format is like MP3 format, which will be stored in our local machine or like in the GCS bucket. Okay, to implement the whole solution, like we used the technical stack that I used is like Google Cloud Platform, Google to use these APIs like Video Intelligence API to process the video, and then a Vertex AI API which is like Gemini model, like which is and the Cloud Translation API to translate into one language to other language, and the text to speech to convert that translated summary text into the audio format. I have used this. Okay, so this is an architecture, like it represents like what exactly I said earlier. When I trigger this application, it will trigger the Camunda workflow. This is the Camunda workflow, and then yeah, this is the Camunda workflow. The first it will read the video file and push it to the GCS bucket. Then the Video Intelligence API comes into the picture, pull that video and then process it and translate, and then pull the transcripts out of it. And then that transcripts will be passed to the Gemini model, Vertex AI model, that will be summarized, and then the summary text will be passed to the language translation API that will be translated into a specific language of user input, and then that will be passed to the text to the speech API, which where the audio will be audio version of that summary translation will be created and then pushed into the GCS bucket. That happens at this block, or as well as it will store it in the local machine for accessibility. Okay, this is the overview, and then this is the setup instruction. Like before we run our application, like what are the changes that we what are the configurations or roles we need to provide in GCP, that was well documented here. And then what are the changes we need to do at like application context, and that is well documented here. We need to pass the bucket name and the project ID of our Google Cloud, and everything. Let me show you this how the GCP bucket looks like, where when the user provides an video, right, that will be stored in this bucket. This is the bucket that I have created, and then final output of audio will be stored within this bucket. Okay, let me run this uh, code application and see like how it exactly works. This is our code. Okay, this is the main app. Like when we trigger this run this Java file app, it will trigger the Camunda workflow, and where the series of events will be happen one by one, as shown in the workflow. Okay, this workflow will be triggered. Okay, let me run it. So the moment we run, like okay, it will initially checks that whether these APIs are being enabled at GCP platform, and it is asking us to provide, please provide the path of the video. I have a video. This is the video of Obama speaking about like healthcare, President Obama speaking about healthcare. Uh, so it is checking like, okay, bucket exists and everything. And when you see here, this is the list of languages that we can, that Google can translate of summary. Okay. And then we need to pick one language. Let's say I would like to translate in the to Dutch. Right. Okay. Once language is specified, and then the ball goes into the video intelligence API, it will process the API. You can able to see here the video intelligent service client is created, and it is processing the video to pull the transcripts out of it. Um, Now you can able to see like the processing is done, and then this is a summary text from that video file. And then before we see the summary text, this is the transcript that was pulled out of that video. And then this, the whole text was summarized into this format, into this length. And then this is the translation text, like we provided a Dutch, right? Like that this summary will be translated into this this Dutch language. This is the Dutch language. Okay. Once this is done, whether the audio was stored in this file, like you can see like user Lalam Anil, like, and the summary audio. Let's go to there and see.
अफोर्डेबल केयर एक्ट ACA के कानून बनने के 15 साल.
In deze tekst blikt voormalig president Barack Obama terug op de 15e verjaardag van de Affordable Care Act, ACA. Hij benadrukt de successen ervan en merkt op dat de
And then we should be able to see it in the audio format. Like when you see the audio, this is stored in the Obama.mp3 format, the audio version of it. Thank you.